fake balloons. And I promise, lips of love, it's going to stay here. She's a balloon king. Are all those for you, madam?
Yes, they are.
Well,
I'm hoping you're going to float away in a minute.
firework. Soon. You can go through, sir. Enjoy the no, this is for you, sir. Only from your wife. Join the kissing, everybody. Come on, just a kiss. Come on, everybody kiss now. Kissy, kissy. There now. Love Shakespeare. Whee! Kiss the lips, boys.
Hang on. This camera smells, sorry.
Yeah, the rest of the kissing tomorrow. This is my bride. Yo. What's that Christmas thing, baby? Hello, would you like a balloon? It's a Christmas thing. Look at the smile on your face. Happy kissing. Hello, would you like a balloon?
Genial.
Who else is around? We'll have to see if anybody else wants some balloons.
Are those the last balloons?
Yeah.
Give them away. Give them away.
Diolch Santes Dwynwen, hapus i chi gyd! Kissy, kissy!